Video we are going to discuss about some aptitude questions based on pipes and cisterns. Now, before going to the questions, let us discuss a few theory part. Inlet and outlet. Inlet എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ a pipe connected with a tank or cistern or a reservoir that fills it. And outlet എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ a pipe connected with a tank or cistern or a reservoir emptying it. If a pipe can fill a tank in X hours, then the part filled in 1 hour is 1 by X. And if a pipe can empty a tank in Y hours, then the part emptied in 1 hour is 1 by Y. If a pipe can fill a tank in X hours and another pipe can empty the full tank in Y hours, then if Y is greater than X, then on opening both the pipes, you have the net part filled is in 1 hour is 1 by X minus 1 by Y. അതേപോലെ തന്നെ you have one more point. If a pipe can fill a tank in X hours and another pipe can empty the full tank in Y hours such that X is greater than Y ആണെങ്കിൽ the net part filled will be, the part emptied will be given by 1 by Y minus 1 by X. So now let us go to the questions. The first question is a tank 9 feet by 5 feet. I got these questions from the textbook called Agarwal that you use for aptitude training. A tank of 9 feet by 2 feet is fitted with an inlet pipe and an exhaust pipe. The inlet pipe pours in 576 cubic inch of water per minute and the exhaust pipe can empty the full tank in 3 hours. If the tank is full and both pipes are open, how many hours will it take to empty it? Okay, or a tank that is 9 feet by 5 feet by 2 feet എന്ന് പറയുന്ന ആ ഒരു സൈസിലുള്ള ഒരു ടാങ്ക് which has an inlet pipe and an exhaust pipe. അപ്പം ഇൻലെറ്റ് പൈപ്പിലേക്ക് വരുന്ന വാട്ടറിൻ്റെ ആ ഒരു the amount is given by 576 cubic inch of water per minute ഒരു മിനിറ്റിൽ. And the exhaust pipe അത് empty ചെയ്യാൻ എടുക്കുന്നത് total 3 hours എടുക്കും. If the tank is full and both pipes are open, how many hours will it take to empty it? But let us see how this can be done. The volume of the tank is given by volume of the tank is given by 9 into 5 into 2. അല്ലെ ഇവിടെ തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട് അളവ് തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട് 9 into 5 into 2, that is 90 cubic feet. That is the volume of the tank. അപ്പോൾ അതിനെ ഇഞ്ചിലേക്ക് കൺവേർട്ട് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ എത്രയാവും 90 into 12 into 12 അല്ലേ 1 feet that will be converted to inch, that is into 12. Now volume of water drained by the exhaust pipe in 1 minute is given by, how can you do it? It is the volume of the tank in cubic inch by the minutes taken. ഇവിടെ എത്ര വരും? Can be written as 90 into 12 into 12 into 12 അല്ലേ, that is you can write it as 12 cube, better 12 cube by what is the time taken? It can be written as it is 3 hours. Time taken is 3 hours to empty the tank, so you can write it as 3 into the inch cubic inch and you have the you require it in volume of water drained by the exhaust pipe in 1 minute. This is in hours, so you have to convert it to minutes, that is into 60. Clear? So you get it as, so on calculating you get the answer as 864 cubic inch. 864 cubic inch. 864 cubic inch. Now the net volume drained in 1 minute when both the pipes are opened is given by 864. You already have 864, right? 864 here, you got the answer as 864 minus 576, that is the inlet pipe rate of water entering. അപ്പോൾ 864 minus 576 എന്താണ്? 288 is the net volume drained in 1 minute. So the required time taken to empty that will become how much? You still have the volume of the tank by the amount or the volume drained in 1 minute. 1 minute. That is 288. And that should be in minutes, which is actually, that should be in hours. So you have to divide it by 60. So you get it as the total volume is given by 90 cubic feet. 90 cubic feet by 288 into 60. So you get the answer as 9 hours. Now coming to the next question. A pipe can fill a tank in 30 hours. Pipe A can fill a tank in 30 hours and pipe B can fill in 45 hours. If both the pipes are opened in an empty tank, രണ്ടും കൂടി ഓപ്പൺ ചെയ്തു ഒരു empty ടാങ്കിലേക്ക്. പൈപ്പ് എ മാത്രമാണെങ്കിൽ 30 മണിക്കൂർ ആൻഡ് പൈപ്പ് ബി മാത്രമാണെങ്കിൽ 45 hours. And if they both are open together to an empty tank, how much time will they take to fill it up? അപ്പോൾ part filled by A in 1 hour is given by, അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ എന്താ എടുക്കേണ്ടത്? 1 by x ആണെന്ന് ഞാൻ നേരത്തെ പറഞ്ഞു, ഇക്വേഷൻ കാണിച്ചതല്ലേ. So this will be 1 by 30 and part filled by B will be 1 by 45. So very simple. It's in hours itself. You don't have to convert. Now what happens? Part filled by both A and B will be together as 1 by 30 plus 1 by 45, right? 1 by 30 plus 1 by 45. So you get the answer as 1 by 18, right? 1 by 18. You get it as 1 by 18. That means the time taken to fill it up is given by the reciprocal of this. 1 by 18 reciprocal edukanam. That is 18 hours. You take 18 hours to fill the tank using both the pipes. 18 hours. Hope you are clear. Very simple. Now going to the next question. A cistern can be filled by the pipes A and B in 4 hours and 6 hours respectively. When full, the cistern can be emptied by the pipe C in 8 hours. If all the pipes were turned on at the same time, then how much time will the cistern be filled? Net part that is filled in 1 hour is given by pipes that can be 1 by A, 1 by B and 1 by C, right? From pipes A and B, that is 1 by 8 plus 1 by 4. And when full, it can be emptied by the pipe C, that is 1 by 8. But total time taken will be given by pipe A, it is 1 by 4. Pipe A, it is 1 by 4. Plus pipe B is given by 1 by 8. And pipe C എന്താ ചെയ്യാ? I'm sorry, it's not 1/8, it is 1/6 അല്ലേ? 1/6. And pipe C എന്താ ചെയ്യാ? Empty ചെയ്യാണ് ചെയ്യണത്. So you have to minus it with that value 1/8. So what is the answer? You get it as 7/24. So the time taken to fill it up is the reciprocal of this value, which will be 24/7. The time taken will be 24/7 hours, or it will be equal to some 3 and 3/7 hours. 3 and 3/7 hours. Now coming to the next question. Next question is, a cistern has 2 taps which fill it in 12 minutes and 15 minutes respectively. There is also a waste pipe in the cistern. When all the 3 are open, the empty cistern is full in 20 minutes. How long will it take for the waste pipe to empty the full cistern? Again, the same method, same things. You just have to find out the reciprocal and get the answer. So the question is, you have 2 taps. Let it be A and B. A and B our time taken for filling is 1/12. This is just in minutes. 1/12 plus 1/15. പക്ഷേ ഇവിടെ you have the waste pipe that will be emptying it in how many minutes? 20 minutes. So you have to minus the same. So you get the value as 1/20 minus 1/12 plus 15. It should be in brackets. So what is the value you get? The number or the time taken is given by 1/10. It's actually minus 1/10. If you subtract it from here, you get it as 1/20. So 10 minutes to empty the full cistern. Now to the next question. Now you have a few homework questions. You can please try doing these questions, and then the answers are shared. Cross check for your answers. Thank you.